This is a wealth building hack for people who are thinking about getting married and they want to start building their portfolio before they even get there. Let's assume you already have a good job, you guys are in a phenomenal relationship, and you've got good credit. What I want you to do is one of you is going to go purchase a home as a first-time homebuyer, and the other one is going to go purchase a home as a first-time homebuyer. So we both got 2 homes. The reason we're doing that is as a owner-occupied property, you're going to get the best interest rate, you're going to get the lowest down payment, and it's the easiest to qualify for. And then we can use one of those first-time homebuyer programs that, depending on which program, is going to be anywhere between 0%, 1%, 3%, 3.5%, or 5%. Now that could be a VA loan, an FHA loan, a special loan, or a conventional loan. I don't want to get into the details, but realize it's going to be somewhere between 0 to 5%. Your closing costs are going to be about 2.5%. And your credit score needs to be mid 600s and above. Of course, anything above that is even better. Then we owner occupy that property for 6 months, a year, whatever your time frame is, but there needs to be an actual intention to owner occupy it. Then the couple gets married. Now the couple just turns around, rents out both of those properties, and turns around and buys another one. What this could do is in your first 2 years, you could end up owning 3 properties if you're simply willing to move. We've done this with other investors. We have all kinds of wealth building strategies on this channel. You're talking my absolute favorite game in real estate. So hit that subscribe button if you want to know more about this, and drop any questions you have below. Bonus tip. I want you to understand this little secret, and this has made so much money over the last few decades. As a first-time home buyer that's owner-occupying a property, loans treat 1 to 4 units the same way. So you can owner-occupy a single family, a duplex, a triplex, or a fourplex. So what if both of you owner-occupied a duplex, and then you turn around and bought a duplex together as your primary? Instead of owning 3 units, you would own 6. It's totally doable and an amazing strategy to build wealth. So hit us up at resg.com. Drop us any questions that you have below. We're happy to chat with you about the home buying process and help you get the home of your dreams and onto the property ladder.